Just like we clear old harvest, what emotional junks do you need to let go this month? Because you cannot step into a new season while carrying the weight of old emotions. Let's talk about emotional release, the kind that shifts your identity. Hi love, welcome back. This is your space to breathe, reconnect and remember who you are. Today's episode is a gentle emotional detox, the kind every woman needs but rarely gives herself. Pongal is about clearing, cleaning, renewing, and welcoming abundance. We clean our homes, our kitchens, our spaces, but rarely our hearts. We throw out old things but hold on to old emotions. We welcome a new season but keep carrying old stories. Today we are going to shift that because emotional release isn't about forgetting, it's about freeing yourself from the weight that no longer belongs to your next chapter. The emotional junk we all carry. Everyone sees your smile. No one sees your emotional storage room. Inside it are old resentments, unspoken words, unprocessed disappointments, memories that still sting, roles that feel too heavy, expectations you no longer want, relationships that drain you, patterns you have outgrown, fears inherited from childhood, versions of yourself you have moved past. This emotional clutter doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. But you cannot evolve if you are dragging emotional weight from a woman who you no longer are. Why emotional release is difficult for women? Women hold emotions deeply because we are conditioned to forgive quickly. We are conditioned to adjust. We are conditioned to swallow pain. We are conditioned to keep peace. We are conditioned to move on without processing. So emotions don't disappear, they settle. They set in the chest, the stomach, the throat, the shoulders, the nervous system, the way you breathe, the way you think, the way you react, and eventually they create overthinking, burnout, resentment, self-doubt, fear of vulnerability, reluctance to trust, confusion, emotional heaviness. Letting go feels hard because you have been trained to hold everything together even when it hurts. Pongal is the harvest festival, a time of cleansing, clearing, preparing, and renewing. In farms, before new seeds are planted, the whole harvest is cleared away. Why? Because old growth blocks new possibilities. Your emotional life works the same way. You cannot plant confidence, clarity, peace, boundaries, self worth, new identity in soil filled with old emotional residue. Release is not a ritual, it is a responsibility. Tonight, sit down with a notebook. Light a lamp or candle if you want symbolism. Write this sentence at the top. This no longer belongs to the woman I am becoming, and complete it with one emotional burden you are ready to release. It could be, this fear no longer belongs to me. This guilt no longer belongs to me. This judgment no longer belongs to me. This person's opinion no longer belongs to me. This old story no longer belongs to me. This habit of shrinking no longer belongs to me. This resentment no longer belongs to me. This self-doubt no longer belongs to me. Let it flow. The moment you write it, your nervous system receives a new instruction. It's safe to let this go now. You're not erasing your past, you're releasing its grip. Ask yourself, what emotion keeps returning even when the situation is gone? This is stored emotion. What memory still feels heavy in my body? This needs expression. What belief keeps me small? This needs rewriting. What relationship feels like walking on eggshells? This needs boundaries or distance. What dreams feel stuck? This needs emotional space. Release is not about detaching from people, it is from detaching from weight. When a woman releases what no longer belongs to her, something magical happens. Her voice becomes clearer, her decisions get sharper, her body feels lighter, her intuition gets louder, her confidence grows naturally, her boundaries strengthen without fear, her identity rises. Because emotional clearing creates space, and a woman with space is a woman with power. You're not losing anything important, you're losing everything that was blocking your becoming. If you are listening today and you are tired of carrying the same old weight, if your heart feels cluttered, if your body feels heavy, if you are ready for a softer inner world, this is your moment. Pongal is a season of new beginnings, and the beginnings require space. You don't have to release everything today, just one thing, one belief, one fear, one story. Your future self is waiting, and the other side of the release. Let this be the month you honor her by letting go. If this episode helped you breathe a little deeper, follow the podcast for the remaining January emotional series. Share this with a woman who's carrying more insight than anyone realizes. She deserves to feel light again. Until next time, stay gentle, stay honest, stay you.